What about you? CJ Audits, Audit in Northern Ireland here. Today we're in Dungannon here, County Tyrone, at the PSNI station. Down on the gate a look here, folks. See what the crack is here. We're out and about here right today. So we are. We're out with Jamesy Audits NI, so we are as well. He's also with us. Yep, Dungannon, County Tyrone, folks, Northern Ireland. Back at yous again here, so we are. Back right at yous. Dungannon station, ma. We'll across the Dungannon station here, look. Get across the road and see if we can get looking in here, look. So we can. So I'm saying CJ Audits, Audit in Northern Ireland. And Dungannon here. So we are, folks. Yeah, County Tyrone. See if we get a look on there, look. That's what I'm saying, folks, here, 100-mile trip here, we're on the day here, just to get around these stations in Northern Ireland, see what sort of abuse we take today. No putting you in it, mate, no putting you in it, alright, man. Video and anywhere in the complex, we're not in it, we're actually outside the complex here, and even at that, them signs are their policy, it's not actually law, so you can't film inside the station. That's closed today, mate, aye? Yeah, so we're out now, Jamesy Audits, and I here, so we are as well. Yeah, just having a wee nosy around, folks. See how it goes. Yeah, big enough station, like, so it is, big enough station this here. Big enough here. So it is. Yeah, back at these, folks, coming at these. So I'm saying, there's Jamesy Audits here with me, Jamesy Audits and I. Once again, folks, Northern Ireland here, coming at these here, coming right at these. Dungannon, PSNI. Here, folks, going to pick this back up here in a second. Going to get Fred up over here in the sky here. Just going to check out all drone assistant. I'll see if we can get him across here. Back in a minute, folks. Pick this back up in a minute.